At PREPAC, research and development are some of the things that we focus on every day here. And I'm very proud to present our newest innovation, which is a compostable tray with an intelligent line-in film inside, giving you very similar, if in fact sometimes better, properties than our conventional plastic trays, with a 90% reduction of plastic into our packaging. It's very simple to use. You use it the exact same way your plastic trays are being used, works with our machinery and our tooling. Seal your meals as you have always been, supply them to your clients, they consume their delicious meals, take the lining off the top, simply crack the corner in here, separate the lining from the tray. This will go into the rubbish, leaving behind a very small portion of plastic. What we've got is a compostable home certified tray that goes straight into your compost unit, your worm bin, or even your earthkind unit, leaving you with a much more sustainable option without compromising on shelf life, quality and food safety.